Tarzan and Konkar, the Jungle War. Long ago, deep in the wild jungles of Africa, Tarzan, the king of the jungle, lived peacefully among animals. One day, an army of ruthless invaders entered the jungle to cut down trees and capture animals. But Tarzan was not alone. From the mountains came a brave warrior named Konkar, a silent protector of nature. Wearing armor made from tiger skin and carrying a spear of firewood, he joined Tarzan to stop the destruction. Together, they planned a secret jungle attack. At night, Tarzan swung through the trees while Konkar moved silently on the ground. Elephants blocked paths, monkeys threw fruits, and parrots screamed warnings. In one great battle, Tarzan leapt from a tree and scared the army, while Konkar charged forward like a lion. The two heroes fought side by side until the invaders ran away in fear. In the end, the jungle was saved. Tarzan said, "This jungle is my home." And Konkar replied, "And now it's mine too." The animals cheered. From that day, Tarzan and Konkar became legends of the jungle, guardians of nature.